In this video, we will see how we can send the data from one view to another while navigation. First of all, we need to add the parameter in our path. Suppose that we want to add a parameter on this particular path. Let's say name, and we need to transfer some data from our view. Let us try to add a text box. Let us add this particular method in app.component.ts. And we need to receive this particular data when this particular component view will be open or load. Let us run the application. So when we open the browser, we will get this particular view with the defined text box and the button. And what we have defined when we click on the button, then this particular navigation will navigate to the automatic car view with the value, the given name, and we are simply doing console.log, means we are printing the value on console window. So we are opening the console window. Let's try to send OD. So this particular view is open and value is printed. Let us see the output. Let us remove this. This is the previous value. If we are trying to send BMW, so the car value received as below. Whatever car name we have sent, so that's all about how we can send the data from one view to another. And if we want to send multiple data, then there is a value again we can add. Suppose that we are adding model, and when we are trying to receive, let's say we are trying to send the model let us see the output. If we are trying to send so we are also receiving model and we are consoling that value. So this is the value that we have received. So that's all about routing parameter and how we can send the data while navigating from one view to another. That's all. Thank you so much.